For weeks, all eyes have been on one question. How much has Camp Nou changed now? The answer is more than ever before. The compression ring continues expanding. The third tier is moving rapidly toward completion. Major progress is visible inside the stadium, and several key construction areas have reached new milestones. Every visit now reveals something new, and today's update showcases some of the biggest developments yet. So let's take a closer look at everything that's changed at Spotify Camp Nou. The compression ring continues making steady progress around the stadium, with work advancing simultaneously from both the north goal and south goal sections toward the tribune. Crews are installing new pillars, radial beams, and temporary support structures to prepare for the next series of steel boxes. Additional compression ring components are already positioned on site, allowing installation to continue without interruption. As more sections are completed, the overall ring is steadily extending toward its final connection, marking another significant milestone in the stadium's roof support structure. Work across the third tier continues advancing steadily, with crews focusing on both structural finishing and infrastructure installation. Temporary scaffolding is expanding across multiple sections to support future lighting systems, while workers continue sealing the joints between the precast seating elements. Interior finishing is also progressing, with service routes, access areas, and structural detailing becoming more defined throughout the upper level. Each week, the third tier is moving closer to its next major stage of completion as preparations continue for future operational systems. The VIP area remains one of the busiest construction zones inside the stadium. Installation of aluminum framing, glazing systems, and architectural finishes continues across multiple levels, while additional work is underway on interior partitions, service areas, and access points. Exterior detailing around the VIP facade is also progressing, with crews completing structural connections and preparing more sections for final finishing. The entire VIP level is steadily taking shape as work advances simultaneously across both the interior and exterior. Construction beneath the second cantilever continues to move forward as crews prepare the area for future hospitality and public facilities. Structural works are now being followed by service installations, with access platforms positioned throughout the section to support mechanical, electrical, and finishing operations. Preparations for floor construction and interior fit-out also continue across several work zones, while additional structural detailing is becoming visible as the cantilever gradually transitions into its next construction phase. Inside the stadium, construction activity remains intense across multiple levels. Mechanical and electrical service installations continue throughout the seating bowl, while crews are advancing interior finishing works, structural detailing, and preparation for future operational systems. Additional work is also progressing around circulation areas, technical spaces, and internal infrastructure, reflecting the steady transition from heavy structural construction toward large-scale interior fit-out across the stadium. Installation of sandwich panels continues steadily on the south goal mobility core. Another exterior panel has now been lifted into position using a vacuum lifting system, allowing crews to install the cladding safely and with greater precision. More panels are expected to be added over the coming days, gradually enclosing the mobility core and bringing the structure much closer to its final appearance. As each new panel is installed, the mobility core is becoming increasingly enclosed, giving this section a much more complete structural appearance. The ceramic louvers have still not been installed around the south goal mobility cores, despite the mounting brackets already being aligned and fully prepared. Structural work in this section appears largely complete, leaving the facade installation as the next major visible milestone. Once installation begins, progress across this area is expected to move quickly. Interior work inside the completed diamond structure continues to advance. Glass installation has expanded further while masonry walls continue rising throughout the interior spaces. Reinforcement remains visible in one section where another concrete pour is still required, And crews are also preparing additional support elements for the remaining glass installation. Multiple interior work fronts remain active at the same time. The combination of structural, glazing, and interior finishing work shows that this diamond is steadily moving closer to its next construction milestone. The next diamond structure continues progressing toward its concrete phase. Formwork panels have now been installed between the reinforcement cages, while additional steel reinforcement is still being assembled across the upper section. The overall structure is becoming more defined each day as crews complete the final reinforcement work before the next concrete pour. Once the remaining reinforcement is completed, this entire section will be ready to move into the next concreting stage. Technical work continues above the facade where crews are installing and adjusting the integrated LED system. Workers remain active around the lighting supports positioned above the future ceramic louvers, carrying out alignment and installation work that will become part of the stadium's modern exterior lighting system. These technical installations are progressing alongside the facade works, allowing multiple phases of construction to advance simultaneously. Construction continues along the north lateral facade as crews install additional diagonal steel supports for the ceramic louver system. Elevated platforms remain active while workers secure new support members and complete alignment work across multiple sections. Every new support installed expands the area that is ready to receive the ceramic louvers. Installation is now progressing steadily across the facade, with more sections becoming fully prepared for the next stage of exterior cladding. The compression ring continues advancing inside the north goal sector. Workers remain active on top of the temporary support structures, carrying out connection and alignment work between the installed steel box segments. Elevated platforms continue supporting operations around the second cantilever as preparations move forward for the next compression ring installation. With connection work continuing across this section, the compression ring is gradually extending toward the next planned installation point. A major milestone has now been reached at the north goal as the first ceramic louver has officially been installed on the upper bracket section. With the false ceiling already completed below, installation has now progressed into the bracket zone, marking the beginning of the next phase of facade construction. This area is now expected to see a steady increase in louver installation over the coming days. The start of louver installation on the bracket section is another clear sign that exterior finishing work is now accelerating across the north goal facade. Construction remains highly active throughout the north corner. Steel beams continue receiving protective paint coatings while crews carry out drilling, grinding, and adjustment work on the facade support brackets. Multiple elevated platforms are operating across the mobility cores as finishing work continues on structural connections and exterior steel elements. At the same time, additional technical installations beneath the cantilever are also progressing, showing that several construction teams are working simultaneously across different levels of the stand. Steady progress continues across the Tribuna stand as crews remain active on multiple elevated platforms carrying out structural and finishing work. Installation continues around the cable support systems, structural brackets, and upper steel framework, while workers also perform surface preparation and adjustment work on various structural elements. Activity remains spread across several levels of the stand, highlighting that construction is advancing simultaneously on both the structural framework and the stadium's permanent infrastructure. Overall, another productive day of construction has brought visible progress across several key areas of Spotify Camp Nou. The compression ring continues expanding. The north goal facade has entered a new stage with the first louver installed on the bracket section. Diamond structures continue advancing through different construction phases, and structural as well as finishing works remain active across both the north stand and Tribuna.